What up, guys? We are back to another vlog video. We are looking for Newton's 3 laws. Now, I've come upon this sewer drain. I've been hearing rumors that there might be... What? Are you guys seeing this? What? Stand back! No. No. Now, Newton's first law states, an object in rest stays at rest until acted upon by an outside force. Luckily, we have the perfect demonstration. Duh. This example demonstrates an object at rest, Xander, being acted upon by an outside force, Chris. Xander is at the edge of the pool, and Chris's hand is used to push Xander into it, meaning Xander broke his state of rest. Here's another perfect example. Same goes for this demonstration, but now Chris is the one at state of rest, and Xander is the outside force. The second law states that the acceleration of an object is proportional to the magnitude of the net force acting upon it, whilst being inversely proportional to its mass. For example, the acceleration of this knife is dependent on its mass and the net force acting upon it, which is the strength behind Chris's throw. Because it has a relatively low mass while having a relatively high net force acting on it, it accelerates quickly and it impales itself into the tree. Another demonstration shows different objects being thrown with different net forces and different masses. Each object has to have its net force increased as the mass increases as well to achieve the same horizontal acceleration to go in the ditch. And the last of the laws, Newton's third law. This third law states that whenever one object exerts a force on another, the second object exerts a force of equal strength in the opposite direction of the first object. Here's a simple demonstration. When Xander threw a stick into the bush threw the stick right back at him with the same strength in the opposite direction it was thrown. This rubber band is the object exerted upon, and the pen being pulled back is the exertion forced. And as the pen is being pulled back, the rubber band stretches back as well. The further the pen is pulled, the more force is exerted upon the rubber band. And when it's finally released, the reaction is the rubber band snapping back, thus sending the pen flying forward. And because of these laws, you can do things like pushing objects and getting pushed, calculating the force of projectiles, and even flying in a plane or a helicopter. Although not directly one of Newton's laws, the concept of friction is highly relevant. Friction is the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. In this example, the RC car wheels are accelerating at rapid speed, and the surface of the wheels are acting against the ground. Therefore, this is an example of friction. Xander, Jonah, and Daniel sliding against the railing is also an example of friction. And all instances of friction can actually create heat.
Thank you guys for watching.